We are moving from NEMIS to KEMIS.
Muthia mwandiki MUKARU ministry-ini ya githomo Julius ni ekinyirie mbere ya kamiti ya mbunge igie githomo thutha wa gutira cikaro-ini cia hau kabere undu uria ukoretwo kiraraka kamiti ino.
Education has not been
hamwe na mateta maria kamiti ino ikoretwo ikienda guthathaurirwo ni mitaratara iria yahuthikire kugaya mieke ya arutwo a grade ya 10 thiini wa senior school. Ambunge makiuga kuri na muhatikano munene wa arutwo thukuru-ini ici.
The problem there is overcrowding and the assertion that there are not enough classes in this country is not true. It's not true. Yes.
I have classical examples of national schools who have 2,000 students as grade 10. How can a school, for heaven's sake, have 2,000 students? How many teachers are there? What is the teacher-student ratio? What kind of quality education are we having in our schools?
Kuringana na kamiti ino, thukuru iria nene bururi-ini nicio ciegwateire gicunji kinene muno kia arutwo na gutiga thukuru cia ngathi cia thi itari arutwo.
We cannot have one school having 800 and the neighboring school with only 10 or 2 students.
We want a matrix showing how these schools enrolled and why, so that we protect the younger schools.
We cannot have a school where children are eating while it's raining in shifts. They have to be served in shifts, go to the dormitory to eat. The ministry cannot start telling us that capacity is based on classroom and bed. There is more to education than that.
Agitariria mitaratara iria yahuthikire kugaya mieke ino, ataririe ati arugamiriri anene a mathukuru nio magararire mwerekera wa ministry ya githomo na kwamukira namba nene ya arutwo mugaru nere yendekithitio.
But at some point we allow the principals to work with us to be able to fill the spaces, and that is maybe the reason why we had a problem over crowding, because some of them became overzealous in taking too many students.
Previously, we've had schools like Lenana, we have Kabianga, and we look at statistically, Mangu schools, they even attract at 101 or 2,000 students, but they were not given. We just place them the 400 they require.
Kuringana na thukuru 20 iria ni cia gikiro kia national ciamukirire makiria ya arutwo 50,000.
We were going to give them the same number they received. Like for example, when you go to, I was in Lenana the other day. The capacity of Lenana is which we had given them was 700, but they ended up admitting 850. Lenana school right here, 850.
Kamiti ino riu irenda mwerekera wa uria ministry ya githomo ikunyihia muhatikano uyu niguo kuiganania arutwo thukuru-ini ciothe, kuiganania namba ya arutani kuringana na arutwo, oro undu umwe na gutigirira arutwo ni maraiganira thiini wa miako ingi ya bata thiini wa mathukuru.
Balancing that is something that is within reach and is something that we will be keen to work on, because we do not want congestion in those schools. We do not want triple deckers. We do not want a situation where children are more than 45 in a class.
Handu-ini ha KAMITII TV, jitagwo Ngina wa Wadiro.